I use two ML models. I been by importing all necessary libraries, including Pandas, NumPy, uh, for data handling, MATLAB and Seaborn for visualization, and Skitlearn for machine learning tasks. Since I use Google Colab, I mounted Google Drive to access my dataset. Uh, the dataset was loaded into a data frame and its shape was printed to verify the size. Data exploration and cleaning. The next, I explore the dataset using functional like df head, df dt type, df describe, and to get an understanding of its structure and values. I checked for machine values, data and duplicate and clean the ensure dataset quality. I also look at how frequently each activity label appears. Data pre-processing, I standardized the activity labels using a custom normalization function, identified the book spot and treated using the range IQR method to better understand relationship between features and visualize correction matrix uh, correction matrix with the heat map. Model training and evaluation. Once the data was clean, I split it into feature X and Y, uh, and feature divided into and test sets to handle class imbalance. I applied smooth. Uh, I applied smooth for sampling monitoring classes. Then I scaled for feature using standardize. Feature selection was performed with select best to pick the most relevant inputs. I trained multiple models, include multiple models these for decision trees, SVMs, logistic. These models was evaluated using accuracy scores and classification reports. I also tuned high parameters. Uh, I also tuned high parameters and analyzed feature importance to fine tune performance. Uh, this is my other machine learning part, machine learning model. Uh, I been by importing necessary modules and mounting Google Drive to Google Colab. This allows us to access dataset directly from Drive. Once connected, I loaded the dataset into a data frame and checked its shape to confirm the size. Visualizing an emotion distribution using so I define class labels and visualize the distribution of emotions present in the dataset. A colorful bar chart help us understand the imbalanced data, which later influences how we train the model. Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing and splitting uh, using I shuffle the data one hot encode the emotional labels and react pixel values into 48 multiplied by 48 grayscale images. uh, the data set is then split into training, validation, and testing sets, ensuring balanced and structured input for CNN. Visualization training images. I visualize a few training images with their corresponding emotion labels like angry, disgust, fear, happiness, sad, surprise, neural. Natural. This gives a human preview of what the model will learn from. Uh, CNN model definition and training. I define as custom CNN using Keras consisting of layer, batch normalization, pooling, dropout, and dense layer. The model is compiled and trained using early stopping and checkpoint callbacks to ensure optimal learning. Model evaluation and predictions after training the model is evaluated on the test set for accuracy and uh, loss. I also generate prediction visualize sample outputs comparing two labels with predicted emotion. Then I move to my front end part. Opening the web app first, I launched the web application in browser. The home page present a clean interface with prompt either log in or start the login uh, page. Uh, Step two. Assessing the emotion detection feature. Once the user clicks on start emotion detection button, this button, that the app active the camera or allows video upload the enables real-time emotion uh, recognition using facial expressions. Uh, Suggest activity, uh, emotion detection. Uh, the video is passed to our trained condition model. The model processed the facial expressions and predicted the domain emotion such as happy, sad, angry, surprise, like that. Uh, the now my emotion is angry. Uh, the suggest activity take deep breaths and count to 10 slowly. Uh, this is my project. Activity recommendations based on predicted emotions suggest a personalized activity. For example, user looks sad. Said the app may recommend uplifting music, breathing exercises, or motivational video like that. Uh, And this is my project. Thank you.